So right now it's been about 10 minutes. The engine is hot. Voltimeter in DC. Oh, this is auto DC. Now I'm gonna check the voltage for this sensor. It's supposed to give me less than 1 volt, which is not bad. Yeah, this is less than 1 volt. Okay, so this one, it seems like it's working. Okay, let's check the ohm again. So the ohm, okay, let's see. The ohm is working fine. Working fine. Okay, so I don't know. I just don't see any problem with this. Let's check the voltage from coming from the car. Yeah, that's 12 volt. So yeah, 13 volt should be good. Everything is correct. So far so good. But I don't know why this still gives me I don't know. So الكسر. Okay.